Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome. And I am doing the 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar from Macy's. I got this from Cece's Trial Size Life and Laura the Bargain Hunter, and this I'm doing from the 12 Days of Christmas, what I traditionally call the 12 Days of Christmas, December 26th through through January 6th, the Epiphany. So this right here, we are on day 3. Hello, Blue. And let's see what's in there. This had a sleeve that went over it, and you open it like this, and it has a nice magnet capture there, and we need day 3. And day 3 is right here. It's a little square right here, and it has these places to push in, and then you should be able to pull out the door, but not always the case for me. Come on up, Blue. Okay. Let's everybody see, if you'll sit down. If he would not show his bottom, I would really appreciate that. Okay, all right, I see something in there, if I can get it out. I'm having difficulty with this one, but I do like that they have it in there tight and good, because then you know that it's not damaged. Because it's in a plastic framework. Well, goodness gracious, I can't get this one out. All right, Blue. Youch, y'all, youch. Okay, we got it out. All right, Blue. All right, before I show you what it is, I'm going to show you something to add to the Advent treasure hunt. And that is this Basic Beauty Lip Kit. And it's B-E-A-S-I-C, Basic Beauty, but this says Basic, so I don't know. It's cute little, it's got a gel liner, a cream liquid lipstick and a gel liner. And this is, the color is beautiful. This is the liner, and it's a gel liner. And this is plastic, but when you would, oh, I did just hit that on the cap, y'all, because Blue just knocked my arm. I'm sorry, I didn't actually touch the actual pencil, but it looks okay. Oh, it's on the cap a little bit, y'all. I tried to get it off, but I'm sorry. Blue! Got some of his fur on there too. Oh my goodness gracious. All right. Anyway, lip liner and this gorgeous lippy. Look how pretty that is. Does it say the color? It should say the color somewhere. Well, maybe that's the name, is Basic, B-A-E, like Bay, you know, like Babe Basic Cream Liquid Lipstick. I think that's it. So I hope you're all right with that being knocked, y'all. This is what was in the calendar, is Boscia. Let me show it to you and then isn't that a pretty little container? Boscia Chia Seed Moisture Cream. Alrighty, Chia Seed Moisture Cream. So chia seeds absorb. So this would, if you put it on your face, hopefully it would keep the moisture in. I would think that's what it's going for. Oh, it's not sealed. It's a cream. A heavy cream, you know, it's thick, and it doesn't have a scent that I can tell. So this is a very nice container. Blue, please keep your fur out of it. His fur, this is the one. I always seem to have a cat in my house that has the worst fur. I mean, beautiful, and he feels fabulous, but what he leaves around and what he poofs, you know, he's just the softest thing ever. But anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by to see the Advent Calendar, and I hope that you're enjoying the game. I hope that you like the game. I hope you like the last game. I hope you like this game, and just ask me any questions, and count your blessings. Bye.